Okay. Say it again.
All right. Okay. Ready? I'm envisioning the math.
Okay. You gonna go?
No, you're gonna explain it to me again.
Oh, you want me to start again?
Yeah. Start
Okay.
from the beginning.
All right.
If
Okay.
So every 4 years is a leap year.
Correct. If it's divisible by 4, it's a leap year, unless it's divisible by 100, but not divisible by 400.
Okay, so if a year is divisible by 100 and not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year.
Correct.
Okay, so the year 1700 is not divisible by 400.
Correct.
So it's not a leap year.
Correct.
The year 1600
Mm-hmm.
is divisible by 400.
Yes.
So it is a leap year.
Yes.
Okay, so when does this special occasion occur?
17,
The year 2000.
1900. 2000 is divisible by 400.
And 100.
Everything that's divisible by 400 is divisible by 100. So, yes, it was a leap year.
Wait, how does this work?
You already know this.
No, I do not. No, I can't follow this logic.
This doesn't make, and you've already answered it. Doesn't make any sense.
I know, but it's just not sinking in. Okay, so every year that is divisible by 400 is a leap year.
Yes.
And how does 100 factor in?
Every year that's divisible by 100 but not 400 is not a leap year.
But isn't that irrelevant? Isn't it just every year that's divisible by 400 is a leap year?
Period. Yes.
So what does 100 have to who cares about 100?
Well, if you're calculating your leap years.
Okay, but what is the year? You're saying every year that is divisible by 400 is divisible by 100, right?
I mean, that's just math.
Correct?
Okay.
Okay. But you've also said every year... Okay.
These are just the rules. I didn't make them.
I know, but I'm trying to understand. Okay, every year that's divisible by 400 is a leap year.
Yes.
Okay, so the year Christ was born was a leap year.
I don't know what year that was.
0.
Okay.
Actually,
Unclear.
There was no year.
Actually,
There was no year 0, which makes it even more challenging.
That's okay. But every other news,
So the year 400 is a leap year.
Yes.
The year 800 is a leap year.
Yes.
1200 is a leap year.
And also every year in between divisible by 4. Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So how does number 100 factor into this?
Because if they're years that are divisible by 100, but not 400, they are not leap years.
Okay, so if it's divisible by 100, but not 400, it's not a leap year.
Correct.
And so here's my question.
Okay.
What is the criteria that makes that rule necessary? Because you just said
That's the amount of time, something.
Every year that's divisible by 400 is a leap year.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And if it's divisible by 100 but not 400,
yeah,
then it's not a leap year.
Uh-huh.
Well, no fucking shit. Every year that's divisible by 400 is a leap year. So you're saying if every 4 years it falls on the year... Yeah. So if the leap year would fall on a year that is divisible by 100 but not 400, then it's not a leap year, even though it would normally be a leap year.
I mean, by the rules of it being a leap year every 4 years.
Right. So that's the condition.
Just skip it.
If it's hey, this is a leap year, and then you say to yourself, okay, if it's divisible by 100, if it's the year 1700, we skip it.
Skipping it, yeah.
Conversely, if the year, if we had a leap year 2 years ago, but now the year is divisible by 400, we're having a leap year again.
If we're having a leap, no, because we couldn't. It's impossible for it to be divisible by 400 and have had a leap year 2 years ago.
Why?
It would have had to happen 4 years ago, because 2 years before a number divisible by 400 is not divisible by 4. $1998 not divisible by 4. 2000 divisible by 400.
1998 is divisible by 4.
I don't think that's true.
It is. It's 2 carry 1900.
What did you say? 2 carry 1900?
Yeah,
What does that mean?
that's how you divide 1998 by 4.
What are you talking about?
Because you subtract 2 4s, right? So that gives you the number 2.
I don't know what you're doing.
And then you carry the 1900. That's what we call boy math.
Okay.